My name is Carly Chappell, and I'm the Customer Support Manager for Bluprint.
I probably could have just read the wall. Is that always there?
It is.
Why are we interviewing you today?
I'm getting married in a few weeks. I DIY'd a lot of my wedding, and that's what Bluprint's all about. So a wedding should be a reflection of who you are. I wanted to make sure that the things I was making were really personalized to us as a couple, and I myself am a maker, and so I wanted my wedding to reflect that I am a maker. It would be kind of weird if I didn't make my own stuff, so working here, it's hard to not participate in everything. I dabble in knitting, quilting, cross stitch, and I Cricut and paper crafting, embroidery, and things like that.
What are the different projects that you undertook for this?
I did a lot of signs, a lot of signage to let people know where to go, or different fun quotes that he and I have together. Also making a giant 8-foot flower wall. So I definitely got a lot of inspiration from a lot of our instructors. Kristen Johnson was a really big one for me, since I actually got to meet her while we were filming one of her classes. And I was kind of hesitant about the whole thing, but she really walked me through the process, and I got to kind of watch her class with her advice in the back of my head and make these flowers for the flower wall and know that I can accomplish it, because she kind of talked me through it. I did little tags that you tie to the silverware. I'm also wearing like a jacket that I embroidered myself. The gifts for the bridesmaids, personalized to each one of them. So I watched the runway remake, and Jessica Long had done a class about embroidering fashion models, and when I saw it, I was sort of inspired by what she was doing with the outfits. And I have been a bridesmaid 8 times, and I have seen my fair share of gifts, and so I knew when I got married I really wanted to make something that was really unique and different and personalized. I took a picture of their bridesmaid's dress, and I watched the class a lot, and I learned a little bit about kind of making things 3D, as well as like how to kind of trace out the outline of the person. So I didn't have to do much, and I just changed the outfit. And I sort of did their hair a little bit different for each one, and kind of modified it with how I thought they might do their hair. And then I did their name. I wrote it out in a erasable marker, and then went over with it. So it's kind of fun that it's in my personal handwriting. I usually love making things as gifts. I think it's just a little bit more personal and shows that you really took the time to make something for someone. Was it crazy stressful? Yes, but also really fun. I hope people walk away knowing that a wedding doesn't have to be cookie cutter or Pinteresty or whatever you kind of associate with planning a wedding. It doesn't have to be stressful. It can be really a way to show your personality, and that should be the fun part of DIYing, is making it something different and unique and incorporating your relationship into what you're making. And that way, people will see your personalized touches throughout the day and be really excited about your relationship.